Every day, the average person wastes 2.5 hours on tasks that could, right now, be automated by AI. Emails, spreadsheets, repetitive clicks, endless copy-paste, more than 900 hours a year, gone. But here's the twist. Most people still believe AI is too complicated or technical for them. So today, I'm doing something different. I'm diving into AI automation for beginners, and I'm challenging myself to build my first real automation, completely from scratch. And if you stick with me to the end, you'll understand automation in a way that 99% of people never will. Because the moment you see what AI can automate for you, everything changes. Let me ask you something. How much of your day feels repetitive? Tasks you know shouldn't require a human, but somehow still do? Replying to the same emails, sorting information, looking for files, transcribing notes, manually updating things. Here's the painful truth. Repetition isn't work. Repetition is a tax on your life. And millions of beginners, students, freelancers, employees are losing time because nobody ever told them. AI automation isn't advanced. It's accessible right now. And for the first time in history, anyone can use it. Keep watching, because what comes next is the part that finally clicks for people. Forget what you've heard. AI automation isn't coding. It's not building robots. It's not replacing people. It's simply this. AI plus rules plus triggers. One action triggers an AI, executes a task. Send an email, classify information, summarize text, generate responses, move files, route data, make decisions. That's it. And here's the part people always skip. But don't skip this. Automation doesn't replace humans. It replaces the boring parts of being human. Because the second you automate even one task, you get your time back, your energy back, your creativity back. So why doesn't everyone automate? 2 reasons. 1, people think automation is too technical. They imagine coding, APIs, server logs, error screens. But the truth? Modern AI automates tasks using simple drag and drop workflows. 2, people don't know what to automate. Because when your whole life feels messy, it's hard to see which tasks should come first. But here's the retention cue you need to hear. If you can identify just one boring task in your day, you can start automating today. And in a moment, I'll show you an example so simple, so ridiculously beginner-friendly, you'll wonder why nobody taught this earlier. Let's explore the beginner tools you can use right now. I'll keep this simple, but pay attention. This is where people finally get it. Tool number 1, AI agents, chatgpt, Claude, Luma, Google AI Studio. These are your thinking machines. They interpret, write, decide, classify. Tool number 2, automation builders. Zapier, make.com, NANIFTTT. These are your action machines. They move data, send messages, update sheets, trigger actions. Tool number 3, hybrid AI automators like Relevance AI, Bardeen, or AgentOps. They combine thinking and action, meaning they can run full workflows automatically. Here's the thing people don't realize. One tool thinks, one tool acts. Your work gets done automatically. You're not replacing yourself. You're building a digital assistant that works 24/7 without complaining. Meet Daniel. Just a regular guy with a full-time job and zero tech background. Every evening, he spent 2 to 3 hours manually responding to customer inquiries for his small online store. So he tried something different. Using ChatGPT plus make.com, he built one simple automation. 1, customer sends a message. 2, the system analyzes the message using AI. 3, generates a professional response. 4, sends it automatically. 5, files the conversation into his database. That one automation saved him 14 hours a week. But the insane part? With all the saved time, he launched a second online product, then a third, then a fourth. His income didn't grow because he hustled harder. It grew because automation gave him his life back. This is the moment where AI stops being theory and starts becoming money. If you're watching this, wondering, okay, where do I start? Here's the simplest formula I've ever found. Step 1. Identify a task you repeat every day. Email replies, transcribing notes, sorting messages, updating spreadsheets, creating reports. Pick one. Step 2. Give that task to an AI model. Let chatgpt or Claude handle the thinking. Step 3. Let an automation tool execute it. Zapier, Make, N8N, doesn't matter. Step 4. Test it once, then let it run forever. Congratulations, you just built your first automation. And here's the sentence nobody ever tells beginners. Automation doesn't start big. It starts small, but it never stops growing. Today, you learned what AI automation really is, why it matters, and how beginners anywhere can start. But this video barely scratches the surface, because the real power of AI isn't just saving time, it's building automated systems that work for you while you sleep. If you made it to the end, you now understand automation better than 99% of beginners. Let's build something powerful. See you in the next one.